Yes, viewers. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. I think last time we did the show on the topic anorexia nervosa, and I remember I told you next time we'll do on anguish and anxiety. Let me tell you, it is really serious in this country, especially everybody is going through anxiety, and anxiety is such a disease. If I tell you this is a root cause of so many diseases. Like sometimes we tell constipation is the mother of diseases. Similarly, today I'm going to tell you anxiety is also the cause of so many diseases. It can cause sexual loss, it can cause depression, it can also cause diabetes also. So anxiety, anguish causes stress. Like last time I was telling, anorexia nervosa is also caused by anxiety. So प्यारे दर्शकों, आज ਅਸੀਂ anxiety ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ anxiety ਇੱਕ ਐਸੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਚ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਐਡੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵੀ ਕਈ ਕਾਰਨ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਵਸ ਨਹੀਂ. It's easy to say, but there are so many reasons for anxiety too. Anxiety is stress. It can be because of, there are so many causes. Let me tell you in short time that it can be also due to some past traumatic experience. It can be because of some family problem. Sometimes it can be because of too much stress on the mind. It can be because of the drugs. Lot of people are taking the stimulants, alcohol, drugs, and that also causes anxiety too. Sometimes too much thinking some sort of special events in your life which never go back, causing you the anxiety. Special events in your family life. Maybe it's like a husband-wife problem, maybe family problem, maybe there are so many other problems, but all those images, thoughts, sending messages in the brain, existing there for a pretty long time, causes anxiety, which later on cause depression, stress, and radiating to so many other diseases, which I mentioned before. So ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕੋ, ਐਂਗਜ਼ਾਇਟੀ ਦੇ ਕਈ ਕਾਰਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹੀ ਨੇ ਮੇਨਲੀ ਕਿ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਟਰਾਮੈਟਿਕ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਹੋਵੇ, ਕੋਈ ਐਸੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਐਸੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੈਸਾ ਥਾਟਸ, ਐਸੀ ਵਾਰਦਾਤ ਹੋਈ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਿਕਲਦੀ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਸੋਚਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੇ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਐਸੀ ਸੋਚ, ਐਸੇ ਖਿਆਲਾਤ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ, ਜਸਟ ਬਾਈ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਓਨਲੀ, ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਥਾਟ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਦੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਿਕਲਦੇ. ਜਾਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਓਵਰ ਸਟਿਮੂਲੈਂਟਸ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਡਰੱਗ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲੈਣਾ, ਲੋਕੀ ਫੀਮ ਦਾ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਕਰਦੇ, ਚਰਸ, ਪੰਜ, ਗਾਂਜਾ, ਫੀਮ, alcohol too much, and that also causes anxiety. Ultimately, for the time being, you feel that you are happy, that is causing you exhilarant action. You think that you are exhilarant. Medically, we say exhilarant means that you are making you happy for a little while, but ultimately that also causes stress, anxiety. So how to get rid of that? So simple. One thing you can do at your own, if you are really prepared to get rid of anxiety, you can also do it by yourself. Meditation, yoga, exercise, pranayam, breathe in, breathe out, and think positive. Never think negative. Sometimes just by thinking positive, you can get those images out of your brain and causing you exhilarant action, and stop smoking, stop drinking, stop taking too much drugs. If you cannot control them, then only the media and only we people just try to help you medically. What we do? Sometimes I remember all those patients, sometimes we treat them just psychologically, just to let them know you are taking poison, you are killing yourself. Sometimes we help them psychologically. Otherwise, you go to psychologist. They guide you properly what to do. If you don't take it by your own, you need a psychologist. Otherwise, the best thing is the natural herbal therapy, no side effects, slow treatment, permanent treatment, no side effect. But this is not even a medicine. This is a remedy, pure herbs giving you brain power. What those herbs do actually, they give you the blood supply to the brain, increase your blood circulation to the brain, tone up your brain nerves. Automatically, you get out of the stress forever. You will be surprised that I was the fellow, I was thinking too much all the time. I was thinking negative, stress, anxiety, and now I don't think nothing. What happened? What miracles we have seen in those patients. They are so happy now, enjoying the life. Just we give them those formulas. I can name those like so many herbs. Sometimes just you can eat them in the capsule form, tablet form, powder form, kava form, just like a brain tonic. Nerves tone up. Those nerves gives the proper blood supply to the brain, nourish your blood vessels, gives you the brain energy, neurologically also. Ultimately, you get out of the stress. No anxiety, no stress, just relaxation. Miracles in those herbs. You can take Bacopa manri, Vidonia somnifera, Tribulus triastris, Shankpushpi, Jatamansi, Jyotishmati. I can name A to Z. There are so many medicines, there are so many herbs, and the miracles I'm telling you, I mean that. And even a normal person, all those people who are working on the computers, who are in the medical field or on the studies, they can take it just as a brain tonic, as a nervine tonic. They never get this kind of anxiety. And I'll request you, please watch this. Get out of the drugs. No drugs, exercise, pranayam, meditation. And ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕੋ, ਇਹ ਨਿਰਾਸ਼ਾ ਦੀ ਸਥਿਤੀ, ਇਹ ਐਂਗਜ਼ਾਇਟੀ 100 ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਘਰ ਜੇ। ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਜੇ, ਬਲੱਡ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਜੇ, ਮੋਟਾਪਾ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਜੇ, ਸੈਕਸੁਅਲ ਲੋਸ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਜੇ। ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾਉਣਾ, ਐਂਗਜ਼ਾਇਟੀ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਰਹਿਣਾ, ਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਦਦ ਲੈ ਲਓ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਟਰੀਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਦਵਾਈਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਰਹੋ। ਦਵਾਈਆਂ ਇਨ ਦਾ ਸੈਂਸ ਡਰੱਗਸ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਰਹੋ, ਨਸ਼ੇ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਰਹੋ। ਔਰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ। ਐਂਗਜ਼ਾਇਟੀ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ। ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲਾਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਐਨੋਰੈਕਸੀਆ ਨਰਵੋਜ਼ਾ, ਭੁੱਖ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ, ਔਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਰਨ ਐਂਗਜ਼ਾਇਟੀ ਵੀ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਓਪਨਲੀ ਦੱਸਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਐਂਗਜ਼ਾਇਟੀ ਬਲਕਿ 100 ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਜੜ ਨੇ। ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਔਰ I will keep on doing these kinds of different topics every time. So if you want to watch, I'm just telling all those viewers who are watching this first time, but daily, I mean, you watch us every Thursday, 4:45 p.m. Eastern time. And it's also good to tell you now that you can watch this program even in the people who are in Canada. Rogers channel, and the number of the channel is 694. So ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕੋ, ਅਮਰੀਕਾ 'ਚ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੀ ਹੋ। ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵਾਲੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਸੱਜਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਜਾਣ ਕੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੋਜਰਸ 694, otherwise just Punjabi 4:45 Eastern time. So you can watch me every Thursday, every time, different topic like I discussed today. So without because if I start, I mean carry on for hours and hours, but because the shortage of time, I will try to finish it as early as possible. Hopefully, I think because we are shortage of the time. So even then, just for those people who are watching first time, they should know that we have done these programs through Just Punjabi on different topics, sometimes on pains, sometimes on sugar, sometimes on hypertension, weight loss, neuralgia, fibromyalgia, sciatica, back pain, sexual problems. Men and women have different kind of sexual problem. 90% I am famous as a sex specialist. I'm sorry to say that because I'm dealing with 90% people who have the sexual problems, impotence, sterility. जिन्ना माँ बाप जिन्ना दे बच्चा नहीं हो सकता, जिन्ना भैन भरावां नूं प्रॉब्लम होवे, मेल्स और फीमेल्स दोनों ते डिफरेंट सैक्सुअल प्रॉब्लम्स होंदियां ने। इस तरह ही फीमेल्स दे विच भी जो लॉस ऑफ डिजायर या इनफर्टिलिटी या मेंस्ट्रुअल प्रॉब्लम होवे, whether it can be in the ovaries, ovarian tubes, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, or licoria, or if there is a vaginal problem, we can take care of all that just by the herbal therapy. So people should know that we can do each and every ailment, we can take care of that. So प्यारे दर्शकों, अपनी मुलाकात हुंदी रहेगी हर वीरवार जस्ट पंजाबी 4:45 PM ईस्टर्न टाइम, कैनेडा वाले भरा रॉजर्स 694. ओके, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, थैंक यू, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम.